As an English learner working in a grocery store in Baghdad, I have a deep passion for English language learning. Every evening, I dedicate myself to studying English, as it is my dream to become a translator someday. My evening routine starts with reviewing the grammar rules that I have learned during the day. I then practice my vocabulary by reading English books and watching English movies. This not only helps me learn new words, but also improves my pronunciation and listening skills. I also make sure to have conversations in English with my friends and family, which helps me improve my speaking skills. Additionally, I use online resources to find interesting articles and news stories to read, which helps me expand my knowledge on various topics. Throughout my evening English learning routine, I focus on practicing and perfecting my skills. By doing so, I'm confident that I will be able to achieve my goals of becoming a successful translator. Thank you very much.